an ambassador to England or France. You might like to gamble, you might like to dance. Oh, you may be the heavyweight champion of the world. Socialite with a long string of pearls, but you know you got to serve somebody. You got to serve somebody. It may be the devil, Lord, it may be the Lord, but you know you got to serve somebody. You might be a state trooper, you might be on your turf, you might be the head of some big TV network, yeah. You might be a businessman, some high DVD. They might call you doctor, they might call you chief, but you know you got to serve somebody. You got to serve somebody. It may be the devil, it may be the Lord, but you got to serve somebody. Be a preacher, preaching spiritual pride. You might be a city councilman taking bribes on the side. Hey, you may be working in a barber shop, you may not cut hair. You may be somebody's mistress or somebody's heir, but you know you got to serve somebody. You got to serve somebody. It may be the devil, it may be the Lord, oh, but you got to serve somebody.